consists of Deni Adrian Pratama, NPM 100, NPM 100.1, and Satya Kirana Zarda, 125, and me, Salsabila Kirana, NPM 120. Next.
Okay, I will start my material.
Okay.
So, what is accounting system? To make it easier to understand system, let's follow this video. In this video, you can see someone who smells flowers. Why the video of people smelling flowers? To make it easier to understand them, I choose this video to make it easier for us to understand the definition of. So this video means the repository system, which the repository system is consists of the element that make up the structure of the repository system, and each of the element of the structure works in a certain pattern to fulfill the objectivities of repository system. Sorry, are my voice is clear?
Yes, your voice very clear.
Okay. In essence, the system consists of elements, and these elements are an integrated part of the system concept. This element works together to achieve system goals. A system is part of another larger system. And for example, the repository system is part of the body's metabolic system. So, from this explanation, we can understood that accounting system. Sorry, Salsa next. That's accounting system is an organization of forms, records,
I think Shirley get out again. Okay, something happened with Shirley again. Can someone present? Okay, please. Who is the presenter now?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, my internet is not stable in this place. I will continue my presentation. So from the explanation, we can understood that accounting system is an organization of forms, records, and reports that are coordinated in such a way as to provide financial information needed by management to facilitate company management. Salsa next. From the description, the element of an accounting system are forms, journal, ledger, subsidiary ledger, and report. Form is a document used to record transaction. For simplicity, for example, sales invoice, cash out type, and check. The sales invoice can record data regarding the name of the buyer, the address of the buyer, the type of quantity of goods sold, the price of the goods, the authorization signature, and etc. And the second is journal. The journal is the first accounting record used to record, classify, and summarize financial data and other data. Journal is made based on the form. Example of journal are cash receipt journal, purchase journal, sales journal, and general journal. And ledger, the third is ledger, contains account to summarize recorded financial data. The fourth is subsidiary ledger. It's details of the account in the general ledger containing the derivative account if it's needed. And the last is report. The content are a statement of financial position, income statement, a report, and a change in retained earning, a report on the cost of goods manufactured, a marketing expense report, a report on cost of goods sold, a list of accounts receivable to be paid, a list of slow selling inventories. Okay, next. So, what is differences in understanding of system and procedures? The system is a network of procedures made according to an integrated pattern to carry out the company's main activity. But procedure is a sequence of clerical activities such as writing, duplicating, counting, coding, registering, selecting or sorting, moving, and comparing. Next. So the procedure is a part of system. Next. For example, there is an unified cash sales system in a bookstore where it is shown that in the cash sales system in a bookstore there are several procedures. There is a procedure in the sales order section, a procedure in the CASA section, procedure in packaging section, procedure in accounting section, and procedure in internal audit section. In the process of the sales order procedure consists the clerical activities like writing data, duplicate sales invoice, calculate the multiplication of the unit price by quantity, code the invoice. So, and the CASA section, there are clerical process like write data about the amount of money, counting the amount of money, compare the data, and in packaging section, there are clerical activities like writing data about submission, compare the item in the invoice, and in the fourth, the accounting section, there are clerical activities like write data, compare the number of price, provide account code, and etc. And in internal audit section, there are clerical activities like recording of cash receipt, compare the rupiah amount stated on the proof of deposit with the rupiah stated in the cash sales invoice proof, and provide account code. Okay, that's and salsa. Next.
Can my voice be heard?
Yes, it's clear.
Oh, okay. I'll explain about main component of information system. The accounting system is one of the information system used by management in managing the company. Its information system consists of the building blocks that make up the system information. Information system building component consists of 6 blocks, namely input block, model block, output block, technology block, database block, and control. Then I will explain about the meaning of each building block of the information system. First, input block. Input is data that the first enter into the information system along with the method and media used to capture and enter the data into the system. Input consists of the transaction, request, question, order, and message. Generally, input must follow certain rules and forms regarding content, identification, authorization, layout, and processing funds. How to enter input into the system can be in the form of handwriting, paper form, recognition of the physical characteristics such as fingerprint, typewriter, and other. Second, model block. Model block consists of logical mathematical model that process or input data in various ways to produce the desired result or output. Logico-mathematical model can combine data elements to provide an answer to a question or can summarize or combine data into a conscious report. The third, output block. Information system product is an output in the form of quality information and document for all management levels and all information user, both internal user and outside the organization. The output system is the main factor determining the other blocks of a system information. If the output of an system information does not match the need of information user, the design of input blocks model, technology, database, and control is useless. The output of the accounting system can be in the form of financial reports, invoice, purchase order, checks, budget execution report, answer to a question. For example, how much is the medical expense right now? And then message order the result of a decision program, scenario, and simulation. And lastly, the decision-making rules. Generally, the output of the accounting system is in the form of print engine printout and impression of a computer monitor. 4. Technology block. Technology is like a machine to run information system. Technology capture input, runs model, store and access data, generate and deliver output, and control the entire system. In computer-based information system, technology consists of the 3 components, namely computer and external data, telecommunication, and software. 5. Database block. All information database is placed to store data used to serve the needs of information user. Database can be treated from the 2 points of view, physically and logically. Physical database are in the form of media for storing data, just a ledger card, magnetic tape, disk, floppy disk, tapes, magnetic card, chip, and microfilm. Physical database is the actual place where data is stored. However, it's more important not in the physical form of the data to be stored, but how to find, combine, and retrieve the stored data to meet the special needs of the user. Therefore, the database can be viewed from a logical point of view concerned with how the data storage structure ensure the accuracy and relevance of retrieval of information to meet user needs. Then 6. Control block. Information system must be protected from disaster and threat, such as a natural disaster of fire, fraud, system failure, error, and embezzlement. Oh, I don't know what this is called. Wiretapping, inefficiency, sabotage, and people who are paid to commit crime. Several ways need to be designed to ensure the protection, integrity, and smooth operation of the information system are: use of a record management system, application of accounting control, to develop the master plan for the information system, preparation of an emergency plan in case the information system fails to carry out its function, implementing employee selection procedure, making complete documentation about the information system used by the company, protection from the fire and power outage, creating a support system to anticipate failure of the information system currently in use, and creating a data storage area outside the company as a backup. Establishment of security procedure and use of security device and access control. Next. Accounting system in manufacturing companies. The main activities of manufacturing company consist product design and development, processing of raw material into finished product, and selling finished product to buyer. To handle the company's main activity, an accounting system is generally designed, which consists of basic accounting system, account receivable system, account payable system, wage and salaries accounting system, cost accounting system, cash accounting system, inventory accounting system, and fixed asset accounting system. Next. Basic accounting system. Accounting system is the organization of the form, templates, and report. The accounting system in manufacturing companies consists of the form of or document, journal, ledger, subsidiary ledger, and report. The elements of this accounting system are designed by management to present financial information for the benefit of company management and financial performance to outside parties, such as investor, creditor, and the tax office. Source document are documents which data are used as Source document are documents which data are used as source in accounting record. Supporting document are documents that Scrapper data include in source document. Source document and supporting document used as the basis for the recording and accounting record. So the output is financial statement. Okay, next. Account receivable system. Account receivable system is designed to record account receivable transaction and receivable reduction. Accounting system procedure for recording receivable are as follows: sales order procedure, critical approval procedure, delivery procedure, billing procedure, the procedure for recording the increase in account receivable, sales distribution procedure. The accounting system for recording receivable deficiency consists of the following: procedure for receiving sales return, credit memo creation procedure, goods receipt procedure, procedure for recording sales return, recording procedure for receiving account receivable sales distribution procedure. Next. Next, account payable system. Account payable system is designed to record debt transaction and reduce debt. The debt comes from credit purchase transaction and reduced debt comes from purchase return and debt repayment transaction. However, the settlement transactions are grouped into the cash accounting system. The accounting system for recording debt incurred from purchase transaction consists of the following procedure: purchase request procedure, procedure for requesting quotation and selecting supplier, purchase order procedure, goods receipt procedure, the procedure for recording the increase in debt, purchase distribution procedure. The accounting system for recording reduced receivable due to purchase return consists of the following procedure: debit memo creation procedure, delivery procedure, debt reduction recording procedure, recording of purchase distribution. Next. Wages and salaries accounting system. Wages and salary system is designed to handle the calculation of employee salaries and wages and their payment. This system consists attendance and work time recording procedure, salary and wage list preparation procedure, salary and wage payment procedure, salary and wage cost distribution procedure. Next. Cost accounting system. Cost accounting system is a system designed to handle production control and cost control. This system consists procedure as follows: production order procedure, production and non-production cost collection procedure. Next. Cash accounting system. Cash accounting system is a system designed to handle cash receipt and cash disbursement transaction. So, the system consists procedure as follows: cash receipt procedure, cash disbursement procedure, petty cash procedure. Next. Inventory accounting system. Inventory accounting system are designed to handle transactions that are concerned with the movement of inventory stored in the warehouse. This system contains procedure for recording cost of finished products, procedure for recording the cost of product sold, procedure for recording the cost of goods returned by the buyer, procedure for recording cost of goods in the process inventory, procedure for recording the cost of goods purchased, procedure for recording the cost of goods returned to the supplier, procedure for requesting and releasing warehouse goods, procedure for recording the cost of goods returned to the supplier, physical inventory counting procedure. Next procedure. Fixed asset accounting system. Fixed asset accounting system is designed to handle transactions related to movement in fixed asset. The system contains procedure that fixed asset procurement procedure, procedure for using fixed asset depreciation procedure, fixed asset placement procedure.
About the objectives of accounting system development. So, accounting system is developed to reach the goals. There are 4 goals. So the first is to provide information for new business activities management. The second is to improve information produced by the existing system. The third is to improve accounting control and internal checking. And the fourth is to reduce the clerical cost of accounting record implementation. So for the first goal is to provide information for new business activities management. Usually, when a company is developed, the company is also need new business management. So it also needs new accounting system development. The second is to improve information produced by the existing system. So along with the company development, the company also needs to improve their accounting system. So that's why accounting system development is needed, because accounting system can produce information from the financial statement be better. The third is to improve accounting control and internal checking. It is because the company needs to improve the protection toward organization wealth. So the responsibility toward organization wealth could be, dilaksanakan, could be hoped better. And the second, it's because the company needs to improve the internal audit, so the information that's produced by the system could be trusted well. The fourth is to reduce the clerical cost of accounting record implementation. So, accounting system development is needed because the company wants to reduce the cost. As we all know, information is also economical item. So when we want to produce information, we have to consider too how much the profit that we will get, if we do something to accounting system company. The next is the type of accounting system development assignment. I'm sorry, Is my voice clear? Okay, the next is the type of accounting system development assignment. So, according to the accounting system development that I have explained before, there is accounting system development assignment that can be divided into three. The first is developing a complete new accounting system. The second is to broadening the existing accounting system to cope in new business activities. The third is improving various system stage and the existing procedures. So for the first accounting system development assignment, it could be divided into two. The first is basic accounting system, and the second is account receivable system, account payable system, wages and salaries accounting system, cost accounting system, cash accounting system, inventory accounting system, and fixed asset accounting system. For the first basic accounting system, this consists of classification planning and ledger code account, and also classification planning and subsidiary ledger account code, and journal planning, and also financial statement planning that produced by the accounting system. The next is who is in charge of accounting system development. So there is a person or unit who are responsible So there are people or units that are responsible to do the accounting system development. They are system analysts. System analyst is a person that has skill in combining information system blocks into information system building. But if the company doesn't have any system analyst, the company can hire public accountant. The next is accounting system for running the business. So there's already a business that has accounting system. The first is business with cancel check. The second is COD sale or cost on delivery sale. The third is unattended gathering station. The fourth is credit card business. The first is cancel check. Cancel check is different from voided check because cancel check is a check that has been paid or cleared by the bank. It was drawn on after it has been deposited or cashed. The check is cancelled after it has been used or paid so that the check cannot be used again. So for easier understanding, cancel check is a check that returns to the check issuer. The system of this selling is like this. For the first, check issuer makes the check, and after that, check issuer sending the check to the payee. And after that, the payee signing the check to then deposit it to the bank. After that, the bank of the payee doing check clearing. After that, the bank of the payee send it to the bank of the check issuer. Then the bank of the check issuer cancels the check. The cancel check is returned from the check issuer back then to the check issuer as a receipt. But in Indonesia, there is no cancel check yet. The second is cash on delivery sale or sell. We all know this because we usually use this in marketplace such as Shopee or Tokopedia. So cash on delivery it's like we buy something, but we pay that thing or that good stuff when the stuff is delivered to us. So the selling system is like this. The first is the buyer ordering the goods from the seller, and the seller delivering the goods via delivery service on the order method. And after that, the seller delivers the stuff to sender delivery service or counter post. And after that, from the sender delivery service, it delivers the stuff to receiver delivery service. Receiver delivery service sending notification about the order to buyer, so the buyer can be ready to purchase the item. And after that, buyer purchasing the goods to the receiver delivery service. Then, receiver delivery service gives the goods to the buyer. And after that, receiver delivery service transferring the money to the sender delivery service. And the last sender delivery service gives the money to the seller. The third is unattended gasoline station. So unattended gasoline station is a gasoline station that has no clerk on it. We can do self-service on it. But when we do self-service, we purchase the gas through the credit card, not by directly. So the system selling is like this. The first, customer buy the gasoline by the credit card. And then the second, computer sending the selling data to the head office computer. And after that, head office sending a claim to the customer periodically. Then the customer sending a check to purchase the claim from gas company. The fourth is credit card business. So credit card business is basically a business that sells billing service to service and good seller through billing system. So the system selling is like this. The first is credit card holder, purchasing the goods by credit card on marketplace or offline store, and the merchant collect the debt to the credit card publisher company, and the credit card company or the credit card publisher company collect the debt to the credit card holder periodically. The last is the relationship between accounting system and management information system. So usually, a company management run the business by use information system that called management information system. So the relationship between accounting system and management information system is accounting system is a subsystem of management accounting system. From the slide that showed up, this accounting system have various accounting system again, like account receivable system, account payable system, wages and salaries accounting system, fixed asset system, ledger accounting system, and inventory accounting system. So enough from Team 1. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.